Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you why your Cash App not working. There are a few common reasons why Cash App stops working. First, check your internet connection. A weak signal or no data can cause the app to freeze or fail to load. Next, make sure your Cash App is updated. An outdated version can cause errors or prevent certain features from working. You can also try clearing the app's cache or restarting your phone to refresh the system. If you're having login problems, double check your email, phone number, and verification code. And remember, if your account isn't verified, some actions may be blocked. Sometimes, Cash App places a temporary security lock on accounts for safety. If that happens, you may need to wait or contact support. And that's it. That's why your Cash App not working. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.